YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you are not new here, and if you are new here, I just wanted to do a quick thank you for clicking on this video and just seeing what's popping in my world. And thank you for subscribing to anybody who has subscribed to my channel. I have a lot more coming for you guys. Alright guys, so I have another video for you guys today, and you already know what it is. It's another hair video, and I know you're definitely thinking, what's the tea on this hair that I have on my head? And yes, so let's get into tea with this hair. Because of y'all, because of my awesome, amazing viewers, I have the chance and the opportunity to work with Ebony Line. They reached out to me and wanted to work and do a review on this bomb ass wig that I have on right now. And so, ladies, I know we all love 613 hair. I mean, who doesn't love 613 hair? Who? Because I do. 613 hair is always popping. It's always a go-to hair when you want to do blonde, when you want to be bold, when you want to be Barbie. The tea on this wig, bitch. Let's get in the tea on this wig. Ebony Line reached out to me and wanted me to do a review on this brand new, all new, yes bitch, what? Yes, I said all new wig. This wig is by SENSATIONNEL. Has a new line of wigs. They dropped new wigs recently, and yes, I'm here today to do a review and to let you ladies know what's popping with this 613 hair. First things first, when you receive your wig, it's gonna look like this beautiful ass girl on the model. But the only difference with my wig that I have on my head is that I did not get a full 613 wig. I got T4/613. So this is the color that I have my wig in at the moment. The roots are a brown. They might look black on camera, but they are definitely brown, especially when you get in the sun. You can see that it's not black. And I know that's what I actually really love about this wig, is because when you see a lot of ombre 613 wigs or any ombre blonde wigs, they're always black and then it goes straight into the blonde. And the bomb thing about this wig is that it's not black. It doesn't look unnatural. It's brown and then it gradually goes into a blonde. And what's also bomb about this wig is that it is brown to blonde rooted all throughout the wig. So yes, the top of the wig is not just brown and then the rest of the tracks are all 613. No ma'am. If I can show you guys, it is rooted brown to blonde all throughout this wig. Yes. Now let me tell you guys, I didn't even tell you the name of her. So like I said, this wig is by SENSATIONNEL. So it's SENSATIONNEL EMPRESS lace wig, lace front edge. Now let me tell you guys what kind of threw me off when I received this wig in the mail. I love frontals. I tried a frontal. If y'all seen from my last video, I tried a frontal for the very first time, a frontal wig for the very first time with that lavender wig that I have on my channel. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. That wig was really bomb, sis. But yes, I tried a lavender frontal for the very first time, and ever since I tried frontals, I'm gonna just let y'all know, if you haven't tried a frontal yet, please bitch, go try a frontal, because frontals are just lit. Like, they are just so fucking cute. But this, what threw me off was because this is not a frontal, nor does it have very big lace for parting space. It actually doesn't have any lace for parting space whatsoever. So that's why when you go on the site to go order this wig on ebonyline.com, you will see that it says 6-inch parting. So that means the part that is 6 inches, so it doesn't stop right here, it stops back here, which is very good. It looks more natural, but that's the only thing that has lace. I'm gonna insert some clips for you guys of the wig when I first pulled it out of the pack, because this what I'm showing you now, what you see on me now, is like definitely customized. I probably customized the fuck out of this wig, but mind y'all, this is what okay, mind y'all, if I say I customized it, I did make some changes to it prior to it coming straight out of the pack, but The reason why this wig is brand new is because Sensational is, Sensational is going down a route, meaning like they're dropping new wigs, that synthetic wigs that don't need much customization. So basically they're trying to make their synthetic wigs as natural as possible straight out of the pack, so you don't have to do much to them to make them look real. I will insert some clips now. This is what she looks like. This is what she looks like, guys. She is sleek, straight. This is her straight out of the box. I did not do anything to her yet, but I did start customizing the lace. So the lace part, the part is a little I can't speak. The part, I did do something to the part, so yes. But this is her straight out the pack, and she's beautiful. I think she is so cute. Let's talk about what she comes with. So this Sensational Empress Sleek Straight is a 6-inch part. So I was kind of disappointed. I guess I didn't think about what that meant when I read it on the title, or when I read it on the website or whatever. But she does have just lace in her parting, so it's just a parted lace, and she comes with 2 combs up top next to the parted lace, and a comb at the bottom right here. And of course, as all synthetic wigs do, come with 2 straps in the back for you to adjust if you'd like. And why I say this wig is definitely brand new, because we all know that synthetic wigs do not come with baby hairs already with it, but this wig does. It comes with baby hairs, so now we already got a feel for it. I will be trying it on for you guys right now, but I just want to talk about it a little bit before I showed what it looked like to you guys, before I cut the lace and before I style this wig on me. But yes, like, I love it. The cap construction is very neat. You know, it's usual cap construction, what you always see. Yeah, what else about it? Yeah, she's really cute. She's really cute. And let's try her on. Now, if you guys see, I done already messed up. I was plucking my part, because you guys probably will have to pluck your part if you receive this wig. She definitely doesn't need much work to her. Like, Sensational definitely got it spot on as far as making a line of synthetic wigs where you don't have to do much customizing to. You could just put her on straight out the pack. But the only thing is, her part did not look realistic to me. So I wanted to make it a little bit more spaced out, and I kind of ripped the lace. That's why it looks like that, but it doesn't look too bad as far as from a distance. So I think it's still really cute, and she's just popping. Like, this is a perfect blonde wig, y'all. 613 T4 613. Yes, she comes to right here on me, so she is pretty long. Like I said, she does come with baby hairs, so you do not have to create your own. They've created baby hairs for you, and I'm just loving it. Like, I feel like they got it spot on. There's not much that you really have to do to it, pulling it straight out the pack. So now that I tried it on for you guys and showed you what it looks like straight out the pack, I'm gonna go style this baby, and I will be right back. If you guys can see from the original clip that I just inserted, this wig did come longer than what it is. It came longer than what you see now. So the customization that I did to it was I had to pluck my part, because when you receive your wig, if you order this wig, the part is not going to come as natural. I know I did say Sensational is going down a route where they want to make their synthetic wigs look as natural as possible, so you don't have to do much to them. But of course, I guess they haven't got the parting space down yet, because I had to pluck mine. I'm not going to show y'all my part. Well, you know what? I'll show y'all my part. I kind of did fuck up because I got too happy with my little thing plucking the hair, and it kind of ripped the lace. But it still looks good, sis, because I added conceal to the part. Only because my wig cap that I have under the wig is black and it's not brown. So, of course, it makes the lace. It tints the lace and it doesn't make the scalp look natural. But you know, if you use a natural cap, a natural colored cap, then you probably don't have to use concealer. You know, concealer is kind of just to each his own type of thing. However you do your wig, sis, do your thing. So yeah, I said I cut it. The wig comes longer. What's actually the box in the care card does not say how many inches this wig is, but it did come to about right here on me. I can't show y'all, but it came to like right here on me, and I cut it only because just really long inches, like really long hair on me. I don't really like really long hair on me. It just doesn't look like, I don't know, I just don't really like it, especially with this being like a synthetic wig. The ends just get, you know, nappy ratty really fast, so I just cut it a little bit so it could just frame me better, in my opinion. Is it big hit friendly? If it's, I definitely gotta tell you guys this. So I did tell y'all it threw me off because I thought I was gonna have way more lace than I did. I mean, way more lace than it comes with, but it didn't. So like, I didn't really have to got to be glue, you know, the got to be glue gel that we all use. I didn't have to use it. Thankfully, which I was really happy about. That's why I was able to just install this wig very fast after receiving it in the mail. You don't at all. You do not have to really glue it down, in all honesty. You don't have to glue anything down, and yeah, it fits. Like, it's not loose, it's not big. I mean, it's not loose and it's not tight either. It's tight enough to where, like I said, you do not have to glue it down. You can just slap that bad boy on. Now, the more customization that I did do with this wig was, like I said, I cut it, I plucked my part, and I just ran a flat iron through it, because of course when you receive it, it's gonna have that synthetic kind of yucky texture that all synthetic wigs come with. But once you put a flat iron on it, you know, it'll look a lot better. And that's pretty much it. That's why I will say, in my honest opinion, I am not being paid, I'm not being told what to say. In my honest opinion, I really feel like Sensational did a great job with this new, like I said, this is all new. I think they did a great job with their new line of wigs. I guess if I had to give Sensational a little bit more feedback, I would tell them to just be a little bit more better with their partings, because it does, like, their parting space does not look natural. But what I was really happy about, because let me tell y'all, I was expecting to do a lot of thinning. You know, like, I was expecting this wig to be thick, because on the model, I don't know, it just looks really thick on her. Like, the hair looks really thick on her. But this is it. Like, the thickness that you see and the density that you see of this wig is literally how it came, and I think they did a really great job on that as well. Also, you know, when you do a flat iron, when you put flat iron to hair, it's gonna like thin it out a little bit more, so it probably looked thicker before I straightened it. But regardless, I still feel like they did a really great job with their density. And yes, So as far as shine, of course this is a 613 wig, so it did come with a little shine, but I feel like all like really bright blonde hair has that kind of shine to it. So if the shine is something that bothers you, of course what I do is I put baby powder in my hand and I just run my hand through my hair and they'll take away that shine immediately. And the very last thing that I have to say about this wig is shedding. If you cut it, yes, of course it sheds. Everybody's hair sheds, whether it's real hair, fake hair, it doesn't matter. But the shedding is, I mean, it's not really to the point where it's like I have to mention it and warn y'all. It's not a warning, nothing. It's shedding is shedding. I feel like I have shedding because I cut it. So yeah, that's pretty much it about this wig, guys. It's my honest opinion. I feel like this wig is popping. It's cute. It's my first time really doing this color 613 on me, and I really actually, like, if I had to choose again, I probably wouldn't choose this color. I just don't really, I don't know, it's new. I don't really like this color on me. I mean, you guys can let me know in the comments of what you think, but I really don't, I don't know, I really wouldn't try this wig again. But yes, like I said, this color that I got in my head is T4/613. On the care card, they have all the colors that you can get for this wig on the back. I took off my scarf for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So yes, please let me know in the comments of what you think about this wig, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Please. I feel like Sensational did a great job because I just see the direction that they're trying to go in with their synthetic wigs coming with baby hairs now. Like, yes, bitch, it got baby hairs now. Y'all wigs come with baby hairs now, so we don't have to do the trouble of making our own baby hairs. It comes with baby hairs. Thank you, Sensational. Clap, give it up for Sensational. Go ahead over to ebonyline.com and get you this brand new wig. They're having a sale right now. Get it before the summer is out. This wig retails for $55, but you can get it for $26. $55, but you can get it for $26. Yes, sis. Going over to ebonyline.com and get you one. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys for watching.